Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make images clickable in Squarespace, updated. Open your Squarespace site, go to Pages, pick the page you want, add or edit an image block, and set the click-through URL to where you want visitors to go. Remember to choose whether the link opens in a new tab or the same tab, and preview the page on mobile to ensure the clickable area looks right and functions smoothly. Use image blocks for simple one-image links and galleries for multiple items to control layout and interaction. When you use a gallery, edit each slide to add its own click-through URL or configure the lightbox behavior to link out. For image blocks, use the click-through field to paste your URL and choose New tab if you want visitors to keep the original page open. Always preview before publishing to check spacing and tap accuracy. For more control, use summary blocks or index pages to build reusable grids of clickable images with consistent spacing and overlays. Add clear alt text so screen readers convey link purpose, and use descriptive captions if needed. If spacing or click target size is off, a small bit of custom CSS can expand padding or change hover effects, but test across devices. Keep styles minimal so they work with
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.